General Motors' newest vehicle will be out of this world. Literally. The automobile maker and Lockheed Martin co-announced May 26th that the two companies are working together on developing a new line of moon rover vehicles that astronauts will use in future lunar missions. The iconic car maker and aerospace and defense provider touched on how NASA's upcoming Artemis missions will take humans to the moon by 2024, for the first time since 1972. When they do, astronauts will use a range of rover vehicles to explore the lunar surface and perform science experiments. To enable this, NASA called upon industry leaders in early 2020 to provide concepts for robotic mobility systems and lunar rovers, along with feedback on commercial technologies and acquisition strategies for a new lunar terrain vehicle, or LTV. The new announcement said that the LTV is only the first lunar surface vehicle the Artemis program will rely on. Both GM and Lockheed Martin have a storied history of collaboration with NASA. GM was heavily involved in the guidance and navigation systems and LRV used throughout the Apollo missions from the 60s and early 70s. Lockheed has worked closely with NASA in all aerospace aspects for more than 50 years. The two companies noted that the new LRV will deliver far better capabilities than its nearly 50-year-old predecessor, used during the last three missions that landed on the moon, Apollo 15, 16, and 17. That LRV traversed only 4.7 combined miles from the landing sites, whereas the next generation lunar vehicles are being designed to traverse significantly farther distances to support the first excursions of the moon's south pole, where it is cold and dark with more rugged terrain. The new LRV series will rely on GM's technology in electric batteries and autonomous driving. The Associated Press cited company officials noting the LRV will be unpressurized, which will require its two occupants to wear spacesuits. I'm David Manti. This is IEN Now.